After a car accident, the single biggest mistake we see people make is trusting the insurance company. We have heard time and time again people say that insurance is made for auto accidents and the insurance company is someone who should be on their side. The problem is that the insurance company has nothing more than a contractual relationship with the person who's been injured. The insurance company does not exist to be your friend or to make sure that your compensation is maximized. Instead, the insurance company is looking to reduce what they pay you and hopefully for their sake, pay you nothing. In order to avoid these negative consequences, the best thing you can do is hire an attorney immediately and have that attorney deal with the insurance company. Trusting the insurance company to do right may leave you awfully disappointed in the end.